Let's see how I made this effect. So we are going to use pixellab for designing the text. First, select the text option, edit it, type out fun and learn. So put it in a separate line so that we will then enlarge it till the whole screen size. Now I will be selecting my own fonts that I downloaded. So from my fonts, after selecting this font, I will again enlarge it to fit the screen. I will align it now. Now I will add the stroke. So stroke is like a border to the text. So we will be keeping the same color of stroke for all the text layers. So I'm using the red color here. Now we have to export two images with the same stroke color. So here the main color is white here. So we'll be exporting this one. So as I said, like we can just keep on changing the stroke. So from top, we'll be exporting this image. You have to click here and click on export. So now again we'll be changing the color of this text, and the next color will be yellow. So we'll be having two images. One is with yellow as main color and the other as white. Now we'll be exporting this as well, and we'll be moving to the InShot video editor to create our effect. So first in PIP we'll be loading the yellow color image. Now again in PIP we'll be using the white image, and we'll be overlapping in such a way that it's a single kind of image. Now on the white image we are going to put a keyframe to make our effect. After activating the keyframe, we have to go to mask and the rectangular mask. Now slightly move it to the different angle and put it at the start where our words starts. So now move it to there and click on the tick mark so that our mask is set. So somewhat, yeah, now move to the end of the image and now go back to the mask, and we will be moving the mask till the end of this word, so it will give us that effect that actually we want. Now accept the tick. Now if you see, we have got that effect here. Now if you want to make it much more easier, now select the white image, go to the ease, and you can just change the ease setting, so it will be a different speed and all. I hope you like this image video, and thanks for watching everyone.